Hey guys, it's Rosangela here once again doing another unboxing. So today I'm going to do the unboxing for the Boxycharm April 2019 box. So let's go ahead and delve inside. So as I've told you before, Boxycharm is a subscription makeup and beauty care box that you get. You pay $21 a month. You can cancel the subscription anytime that you want, and it comes in this little box like this. If you live in apartments, or if you have like just a regular size mailbox at your home, if it's perfectly inside, so they don't need to deliver it to your door or leave it at the leasing office. I just have the regular Boxycharm box, and there are other upgrades that you can get. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in trying it out, if you're in the market to get monthly subscription boxes. Like I said, this one is the one for April, and Boxycharm sends you a full-size products of whatever it is for major like skincare and makeup brands. So as you see here, here's the regular box. The first thing you see in here, which, excuse mine, it's like super like bent because like I accidentally took it out and then my husband sat on it because I left it on the sofa. So yeah, it was not bent like this. So anyway, the theme for this month is peace, love, and boxy. And on the back of this card, you'll see all the full-size beauty and makeup products that will be inside the box for April. And then you'll also see the retail pricing and a little bit more information, just like descriptions of what each product is. Okay, like always, first thing that you see is the Boxycharm hashtag and where you can find them on social media. It always comes really nicely packaged with this soft foamy material that prevents any of like your liquids or bottles or fragile packaging from being punctured or somehow destroyed in the mailing process. So let's open this up. This is how everything looks inside of the box, and let's go one by one, see what products we got for this month. So first thing we have in here is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. This is a loose powder highlighter. It's 0.16 ounces or 4.5 grams. This retails at about $27. And I will tell you guys, I've tried Artist Couture the glow powders, and they are so nice. I first tried them out when a makeup artist did my makeup for my wedding, and she put some of this stuff on me. It was heavenly. Like, I am not all about highlighters. Like, I love highlighters, but I know they don't look good on my dry and textured skin, and this was awesome. This is in the color Summer Haze, and if I can just open, you know what, I'm just gonna tear it. Just do it, y'all. So Summer Haze, as you see, you get a full-size $27 amount of this product, which I absolutely love. This will never go to waste. It's really finely milled. It's really fine powder, and so this will just keep giving and giving until it gives no more. Okay, so it was a bit tricky to take out, but basically it has like this half moon, half circle shape, this little protector that you have to take off so that you can actually start using it. It was a little bit tricky, Okay, so let's try this on the skin. Oh, I love this highlighter so much. Like, they have such good quality. Like, I've never had a problem with Artist Couture. Oh man, I just love this. You know, you can even use this as an eyeshadow. In fact, I think I am going to use this color as an eyeshadow specifically. Okay, the next thing we have here is by Christopher Buckle. It's Cashmere Slip Longwear Lipstick, and this one, let's see, is in the color Renaissance. This retails for $18. I've never heard of this brand, so let's go ahead and check inside, see the size, what it looks like, what the finish is. I'm guessing it's like a satin because it says it's from the Cashmere collection. Okay, so it's like this cool, like geometric, angle cut, like gunmetal metallic silver color, which is really nice. I guess that's what it's gonna look inside. That's the color that's gonna be inside the Renaissance. So let's go ahead and pop it open. So it's one of those round lipsticks, as you can see here. Let's try that out. Okay, so yeah, definitely it's got like a satiny finish. A little bit of matte, I guess. Let's put a little bit more. see if it builds up, see what the color payoff is really like. I love like the berry undertone of it. It might be just a tad bit too reddish and berryish for me, but I think if I put it with some of my MAC nude lip liners, it might just work out. But I mean, I think it's a nice color anyway for spring, for summer, even for fall. I mean, really, this goes across the board. The next thing we have is this eyeliner from the brand called Starlooks. It's Celestial Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. I don't know what the color is, but this retails for about $19. Okay, I had to pop it open, take off the packaging. I always have the hardest time with packaging. So let's open this up, and I guess the color Celestial. Oh wow, that's like a metallic-y, glittery, kind of like greenish, bluish, silverish. I don't know if it's coming off on the camera, like I see it in person. Let's try it out here. Okay, so it's an eyeliner. It doesn't seem to be going on that much. It's like super glittery, and it's like this light green color. Do you see how it's coming off? Greeny, kind of glittery, metallic-y, silvery. So yeah, I don't know. That's not what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be a black eyeliner. I don't know. I think I could use this. I mean, I could use it probably as an eyeshadow, because this is like the type of eyeshadows I like to use. Just like the really glittery, light colored ones. Okay, next thing we have in here is from the brand called Luxie. This is the Summer Days brush set, and this is worth $28. Let's see, it says it's cruelty-free premium handcrafted brushes, and it includes the 209 large shader, the 245 small shader, and the 512 small contouring brush. It says use these 3 dazzling brushes to achieve your most enchanting makeup look. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this. How do you even, like, oh, I swear. Okay, packaging is just like the worst for me. I'm so bad about it. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at these brushes. See what they're like. Okay, so we've got this ombre, like summery look to them, which no doubt, I guess that's why it's called Summer Haze. So they go from like green, orangey, all the way to the hot pink. So here we have the Luxie 512 small contouring, the Luxie 209 large shader, and the Luxie 245 small shader. So, I'm wondering, these don't feel as soft as the ones from the FOMO March box. I'm wondering if these are like synthetic. It definitely has like a plasticky feel to them. So if you're looking particularly for synthetic brushes, I'm pretty sure that these are synthetic. They're not as furry, as like soft as the other ones. They're a little bit more stiffer, a little bit more plasticky. They've got a lot more texture to them. So yeah, but you get these 3 brushes, and like I said, these retail for $28. And last but most certainly not least, we get a festival palette. This is from the brand Pure, and so this retails for $36. Oh my gosh, we're definitely getting into summer vibes. Like, talk about California, Coachella, the beach. It says it's a 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Let's see. Ooh, these colors are nice. Wow. I'm loving the metallic and loving the glitter. That's what I'm all about. Okay, so it says unleash all the festival vibes with this limited edition 12-piece pressed pigment palette that's complete with bold, imaginative pigments that elevate your look for any occasion. From boho-inspired metallics to eye-catching glitter, each cruelty-free shade is infused with skin-loving ingredients. A unique mix of shimmer, matte, glitter shades make a statement that has never been easier. Okay, so we've got Free Spirit, Psychedelic, Good Vibes, Peace, Epic, Gypsy, Wild Child, 24K Magic, All Night, Hidden Desert, Sunset, and Fireworks. Let's check this baby out. Okay, so I had to get some scissors to slice that open. Let's take a look inside. So we get like this matte, super decorated box. Really cute. There was something in here. I feel like I felt something shaking. Okay, so Pure Get a Grip Endurance Eyeshadow Primer. So I guess they sent this little sample of their eyeshadow primer to try out with the eyeshadows. So let's take a look inside. Da, da, da. Oh my god, I love that. Look at these colors. Don't know if you can see, they're super bold, super summery. If you're all about that life, wow. It says treat every day like a festival. It has this huge mirror. And if you can see it, it's really nice. I love it when palettes come with quality mirrors. I think that's what I most struggle with. Anytime I'm like trying to put eyeshadow on, or I have something that's in my makeup bag to go and I'm in the car and I'm needing a good mirror. So let's swatch some of these. I want to see what is up with them. Okay, so we've got Free Spirit. Ooh, I love that one. It's like a champagne-y color. Yes, that will definitely go on my eyes. We have Psychedelic. They feel really soft. The color payoff is not as great as you see in the palette, it seems like, but it's too early to say. I'm gonna need to try them out. Good Vibes. That one's like a very coppery color right there. If you can see them on my arm. Let's try Peace. So it looks like they're separating. There's that one. That one's a different coppery color. Sorry, I ran out of fingers. This one's Epic. They're really soft to the touch. That's like a sand, kind of a sandy yellow color. You can see that. We got Gypsy. They're just like super soft. I didn't expect them to be as soft as they're like feeling once I touch them. There's that one. We got Wild Child. Ooh, that is like a crazy hot pink. Oh my god. I love that. I don't know if I could ever pull it off, but it's really cool. Okay, let's try this 24K Magic. It feels super soft. I don't know if it's coming off. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Pure glitter on your eyes. Wow. I was not expecting that. That is crazy cool. Okay, let's do All Night. Oh, it's kind of chalky. Granted, I'm not swatching in the best positions, in the best situation possible, but there you go. Wow, that glitter though, that is like blowing my mind. Okay, we have Hidden Desert. Okay, so like an Adobe kind of stucco type of sandy color. We've got Sunset. Running out of fingers again. Okay, Sunset. Ooh, that's really nice. That kind of like is the same color that the actual packaging is. That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then we've got Fireworks. So this is a mix of gold and pink glitter, you can tell. It feels kind of like lotion, like it's got a very liquidy touch to it. Wow. I'm just so surprised by these glitters. Oh, they are to die for. Okay, so I said that retails for $36. I think that's definitely worth it. Wow, that is so cool. Okay guys, so that's it for the April Boxycharm box. So if you haven't subscribed to Boxycharm yet and you really love beauty products, I highly recommend it. This is just my second box and I've gotten so many good products. I'm getting to try out things that I would have never usually picked up at the store if I would have gone into Sephora or Ulta on my own, thinking of what I usually get or the brands that I usually buy from. So definitely try this out. I'll go ahead and put Boxycharm's website link in the description down below. Please remember to like this video and to subscribe for more unboxing videos and other kind of like fun-loving videos that I like to do. I'm also putting together a giveaway right now from all the sorts of different subscription boxes that I've had. I've been kind of like putting away and keeping some products off to the side so that I can compile like my own version of a giveaway box that I will be promoting soon on a new video, so stay tuned for that. It'll probably come out sometime within the next 2 weeks. So if I don't have it out by next week, it'll definitely for sure be here the following week. And so it's gonna be just a random box of beauty and planner goodies. I will show you the box and all the rules to enter, so please keep updated with that. And it was so good talking to you guys again. Have an awesome day today. Bye. I'll see you soon.